morning. So today I decided to wake up a little bit earlier than usual, and I went out for some shoots close to Lisbon, very close to my home. And well, the sky is not that interesting. There are absolutely no clouds, but we have this beautiful dégradé here, which almost makes up to it. So I've decided to shoot this tower very close to the river, and we have some very nice reflections, and the sun is coming up in, I would say, in about 15 to 20 minutes. So it's the possible images with such a dull sky, but we must make the most out of it, right? So let's go. This will be probably the best composition I can find. So I have this rock very close to the shore, and I just put my camera right inside of the water. I captured the reflection as well as the tower reflection with all the nice dégradé over there. And it's not a long expo, so it's about 3 to 4 seconds, but it gives enough look into with the shade of the milky water, so I expect it to be nice. I'm bracketing some between 3 and 5 exposures and f/16, and this is what it looks like. Let me show you. Trying to avoid getting my feet wet. So you see, not too bad. So the sky is getting very bright, so it's time to unpack the filters. So getting my filters in my pouch. There we go. Seconds. And something else I also need, which is the filter holder. I went for the leaf filters. I had other ones before, but color cast just killed me. I used to have Nikon, but nowadays I'm just using leaf filters. I do have some high-tech filters also, but just a couple of them. So I would say that about 2 stops at the moment. I'm going for the grad. 63 stops. 0.6, 2 stops. You have to be careful enough with the filters. Try not to scratch them, they really are expensive. So with the filter in place, I'm now going to adjust. There we go. You can't actually see it happening because the camera screen adjusts. So you really have to look into the visor, changing this into, let's say, normal shutter. When you look in here, you can see the difference. You can see the filter setting in and the sky becoming a little bit darker and compensating. This will make a much more even image. Okay. Trying to explain a little bit about the composition that I'm trying to achieve here. the sun is coming up and is going to light the tower right over there. It's already starting. I'm also including the rocks on the left and this sort of ship that has sunk here, and as you can see, it's these are very dark surfaces against the sky, so I do have to bracket in order to achieve the desired effect. I will have to merge the images together. Let's go for mirror lockup. Okay, so you can see the light coming up on the left side of the rocks, right over here, and also the tower that is lighting up, shadows coming for the left side. So it's about 6:30 in the morning, and I do sometimes have the question, when do you stop shooting? You should shoot until you feel it's working for you, okay? There is no secret formula, no one size fit all. For me now, it's not working anymore, okay? You can still see some pink around the horizon, so some nice colors going there, but the tower is getting too bright. If I do have to use the filters with it, which I am using them, what happens is when you drop the filter, the tower will also be in the filter. So this means that the image, the reflection of the tower itself will be brighter than the real tower itself. And this makes a not so interesting image for me, for my opinion, for my way of seeing things. So I'm changing into my 70 to 200 and trying to make some close-ups, because we do have a lighthouse. You cannot see it from here, but we do have a lighthouse close by, and this early morning sunlight might give you a good image. Okay, I'll try it out. So one would say that the sun is clearly out, so it's time to go home, right? Wrong. Whenever I go out, and I don't as often as I would like to, so I always take some time to scout for future images and look around possible angles, different locations, things like that. So make the most out of your session and use the time, half an hour before leaving, to see if there is a different angle that you haven't approached yet, or a different location close by, which is actually what I'm going to do now. The sun will be well opposite to the location that I want to shoot, so it will not be a good shooting session, but it will give me the information for the perfect location and the perfect timing for being there next time. Okay, go on, go out.